Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a wig review, and it is the beautiful Henry Magu Candace in the colour 82726 GR. Thanks for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ange and I love to share all things beauty and lifestyle aimed at the more mature woman as I navigate my more mature years. I have got lots of eyeshadow tutorials, makeup reviews, skincare, and the addition of wig reviews recently, as I have been on a breast cancer treatment journey and I have lost my hair to chemotherapy, and I've been on a quest to find some wigs that I really like. So if that sounds like sort of content you'd be interested in, please consider clicking on the subscribe button down below. I would love to see you back. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that YouTube lets you know each time I do upload a video. I would really enjoy it if you joined the family. So today's wig, wow, is all I can say. There's lots of boxes here that I never thought I would look at. This is my foray into a redhead, and I have to say it's about as red as I go, but I really like it. Lengthwise, it's a lot longer than what I thought I would be looking at, but I love the sleekness of it. Also, wasn't sure about a centre part, but I don't mind this at all, and I'm going to show you some other things about this wig as well that I really like. Okay, Candace has a open wefted cap. She has a monofilament part, a beautiful lace front that goes ear to ear tab. Such a beautiful, beautiful wig. It has the Velcro adjusters, which I prefer to the bra strap hook and eye, and it has a velvet extended nape. Beautiful wig. So, front. Now I've parted her, the camera stopped, so I've taken her from a centre part to just off centre because we've got that wide monofilament part. I've just taken it slightly off centre, not a lot, and then it had a wee bit of a bump, and it still has. You can take your warm hands, and for me, I like to get rid of those. I don't like boofy hair. I like sleek hair because my hair is naturally fine and I'm not used to boofy hair. Okay, so that's the front. Left. The back. Right. Now, ear tabs I like are right at the top of my ear, which will help with wearing masks. I can ear tuck, and I think there's just enough here because I've parted it a little bit to this side more, that is pretty natural looking, and I'm pretty happy with that. I can wear glasses. I really, really love the colour of this. It's something so different for me, and definitely my foray into a redhead. Now, I think if I was to try and tuck this side here, because I've parted more hair over there, I'm going to get that little wee, ear flap there. So probably only tuck on one side, or I could This is what I like about having a long front. Look at that. I can twist, and I could do that on both sides as well. Because you've got the lace front, if you wanted to, you could even clip that up the top, and because you've got the beautiful lace front, it looks really natural. So you could wear it off your face like that as well. Now I'm going to go back through the specs again because my camera did stop filming. So we are looking at an average cap size. The hair length is, the bang is 10 inches. The nape, so from the bottom of the velvet nape, is 8 inches. The sides are 5 inches to 13 inches. So there must be some short layers in there, which I can't really seem to see, but they're saying 5 to 13 inches. Okay, and the overall length is 15 inches, which is the longest wig that I have tried. The colour, I said again, is 827 26 GR, and I really like it. I love the rooting. I think rooting on a wig just makes it look more natural. And she weighs 3.75 ounces. So I just think she is a beautiful, this for me would be a going out wig. And I just think she's stunning. What do you think, guys? Do you think she's a keeper? I'm tempted to keep her just because she's beautiful, it's different, it's out of my wheelhouse. She's so sleek and beautiful, and I do love the colour just for something different. So I think she's actually really beautiful, and the fact that you can pin her off your face, I just think she's gorgeous. Okay guys, if you did enjoy that, please give the video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you back. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. See you later guys. Bye.